Hey everyone, so I got a new toy to play with. It is the MyMini 7-Egg Cooker by Nostalgia, and it's kind of a cute little thing. I picked it up for about $8 and I figured I'd give it a try. It does omelets, eggs, it says you can do poached eggs, pot stickers, steamed veggies and everything, so let's go ahead and give it a try. We're going to open this sucker up and we're going to test it out. I'll do a few different things to see how it works. But I think it's kind of neat. I have an 8-year-old who's starting to learn how to cook and everything, but in the morning she wants to do eggs and everything before I even wake up. I don't really trust her with the stove quite yet, but when she saw me playing with this, she got pretty excited, so maybe this will be something for her. And might be an idea for if you got kids out there that are little, but they're starting to learn how to do things. Alright, so we got our instruction manual. It's going to give you, tell you how much water and everything you use for everything. Go ahead and get the rest of it out of here. It's fairly small. It's not going to take up much room, which is nice. The cord's a little short. I think that's going to be one of my cons so far. We got a little egg separator. That's kind of cool. I did a video recently of 4 different methods of how you can separate your eggs. I did not use a separating tool. This one does come with it, so it's something for you to use. Go ahead and take off the lid. Here we got our little measuring cup, and we have our little food bowl, just a little plastic bowl. And then we got the little measuring cup. It also it gives you the measurements. It also has a little hole piercer at the bottom. I'm not going to use that today, but it is where you can pierce your eggs. And it will show you soft, medium, hard. It gives you the levels for the water. This is the egg tray. Then we got the burner, or heating element I should say. And you always want to have that little egg tray on there at all times. You don't want to ever put anything directly on the heating element. So let's go ahead and we're going to start it off with doing a couple hard-boiled eggs. Then we're going to do medium here. So medium, it should give us a medium boiled egg. That's what it says. Soft boiled, you do soft, or soft line, medium line, and then hard line. So we'll test this out here. You can see that it's starting to fog up there a little bit. Then fast forward about a minute, we got some steam coming out. Once the water is used up and it's ready, you're going to get a ding. And we'll go ahead and get them out of there once we get that. I got a little ice bath. And you want to be careful. There's a lot of heat coming out of this. It is steam. Go ahead and get the eggs into your ice bath and then let them chill. I'll let them chill while we're testing some other stuff. Let's go ahead and try the steaming. So we're going to do some broccoli and carrots. It says to do medium on the water. Depending on how soft you want your veggies will depend on how much water you want to add in there. Alright, we're done. Ooh, a little hot. Play again, be careful. You could always wear gloves. That would make it a little easier for the heat. Or you could use tongs to remove the stuff. Now let's go ahead and let's try an egg. little bit of olive oil. I like to use my little misto. And I kind of cracked the yolk, so it's going to end up being just a regular egg. I was going to try a poached, but I'll try that another time. I don't want to waste too many eggs tonight. And of course, if you want a poached egg, you'll want to use just a little bit less water. We're going to let that go, see how the egg turns out. A lot of steam on this one. It's not coming out of here very easily. We'll just have to use a little utensil. I mean, it's not really sticking, it just doesn't slide out too easily. And it looks a little flat because the yolk broke and everything, but this is like perfect for an egg sandwich. Alright, so how about we try an omelet now? So I got a couple eggs cracked here. We got some chipotle pepper. I got some olives and some pepperoncinis. So just a little simple, a little bit of salt. Curious how well the omelet will work. And then for an omelet, it says to do to the medium line for the water. I'm not sure if that's based on like one single egg or if it's multiple eggs or what, so we're following along the guidelines here with the medium. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of cheese as well. Alright, so it's done. Let's go ahead and check it here. Looks a little raw there towards the center. Yeah, it's a little soft. Yeah, it's definitely not done. So with a couple eggs and the other ingredients, it's definitely going to take a little bit more water. So we'll go ahead and add a little bit more water, and then we'll throw it back in. So definitely go by the guidelines as kind of a grain of salt. You're going to have to kind of adjust certain things for yourself. Different things are going to be matter as well, like elevations, all that stuff, but we'll go ahead and cook it a little bit longer. While that's cooking, let's go ahead and check our hard-boiled egg. Or it should actually be medium boiled. The shell removes pretty easily. That's one bright side of steaming compared to just boiling. Alright, let's check it out. So that's actually like a perfect soft boiled. If you're wanting more of a medium, add just a little bit more water, because that's definitely not what I was after, but that's a beautiful soft boiled egg right there. And of course, if you want hard boiled, you're going to need to add definitely more water for it. Alright, let's go ahead and check our updated omelet here. Again, really hot, careful. I love that nothing is sticking though, that's awesome. I think this is going to be perfect for my daughter. I'm tired of her using bowls in the microwave and I have to clean them. There we go. I mean, it's a weird shaped omelet, but if you're not looking for presentation, it's not a big deal. Turned out pretty good. Not too bad. So overall, I'm going to say that this device is actually pretty neat. It was only $8, so it's definitely worth buying. and you can do 7 eggs at a time. You can do a little bit of veggies. I mean, these are going to be small portions, except for like the hard-boiled eggs. You're going to be doing very little portions for like your eggs, your veggies and stuff. But this is perfect for a single person, or if you're just looking for just one quick little side for yourself, or maybe for your kids. I think this is going to be perfect for my 8-year-old to play around with and you know, make her eggs in the mornings and stuff. But overall, definitely worth the money. I think it's really neat. I'm going to play with it some more. I'm going to try some other items in here. But you know, go ahead and check it out. I'll put a link below for Amazon. You could also pick it up at Walmart. They're like I said, they're super cheap. Definitely worth getting. Anyway, if you like my reviews, definitely subscribe, like, comment below, and thank you for stopping by.